Stefanus Napitupulu. Here I am with my friend.
My name is Muhammad Fauzi Ramdhani.
We are from BSD Keramat 98 University. We will talk a little about the internet. Okay, hi Fauzi, how are you?
Hello Fanus, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good, Fauzi. You look like you're in deep thought. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing nothing. I was just thinking what the world would be like without the internet.
I guess the world won't be like it used to be when it was in 50s or 60s.
Isn't that a good thing for us all?
The internet has made a great change in our life. It changed the way we communicate, play, learn, work, shop. Everything can be done with just one click away. The internet makes everything become easier.
Agreed. On the other hand, the internet has also negative effect. It's so addictive to the point that we forgot to socialize with our surroundings.
Yeah, everyone seems to stare at their smartphone all day and ignores everybody around them.
Not only that, there are many more negative effects of the internet.
By the way, what do you do when you're bored?
I like surfing the internet. You know, there are some fun websites to visit for when I'm bored.
What are they?
I often visit Google, YouTube, and Instagram.
Isn't Instagram an app?
Yes, it is, but we can still open it via web browser, although the features on the site are not as complete as those on the app.
Really? I didn't know about that.
How about you, Steph?
I like streaming movies or Premier League on the internet.
Oh, I like streaming movies too. Which movie streaming sites do you often visit?
I often watch movie on Netflix and video. How about you?
I stream movie on Netflix too, and sometimes on Netflix.
I want to try streaming on Netflix too, but for now, Netflix and video are enough for me.
Yeah, Netflix alone already provides so many good movie and series.
That's right. It's a great talk, Fauzi, but I really need to finish my work.
Okay, Steph. See you later.
Okay, Fauzi, thank you. Thank you guys for watching our video.